Hey Burros, today is November 22nd and here's your Burro update.
On December 6th and 7th is the Christmas Dessert Theater. The play is about a group of kids about to do a Christmas play, but they lose their Santa Claus. And they go on a wild goose chase just to try and find him. The play starts at 6 p.m. The cost for adults are $5. Kids that go to other schools, $3. And students and staffs that work here, $1. The play is at Jennifer in the cafeteria.
Next Wednesday through Friday is Thanksgiving break, so you have 3 days off to eat food and appreciate the people that you love.
Hey guys, the weather outside is pretty clear, but there's a little bit of clouds. The grass is pretty damp, and it's pretty chilly outside.
Oh my gosh, it went so well. It was super smooth. A couple of technical difficulties, but the transitions were well. Everybody played well. Very few absences. Lots of attendance. It was awesome. Nice. How do you think the choir concert went? Oh, so good. Everyone sang so nicely. Siri's in choir too, by the way, in case anyone was wondering. Soloists did outstanding. They had energy on stage. It was really fun to watch. Nice. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome back, Burros. Today we will have students write teachers' favorite songs. What's your name?
Mr. Norwood,
What grade do you teach?
7th grade science.
What's your favorite song?
Jackson, I'm not much of a music guy, but if I go like way back, I think maybe a John Denver song, Country Road, Take Me Home. That's a pretty good song.
Thank you.
All right.
What would you rate this song out of 5?
Solid 3.
Thank you. What do you think your favorite song is?
That's tough. A lot of good songs in the world, but I'm going to go with Girl in the War by Josh Ritter.
Nice. What would you rate the song out of 5?
1.
Okay, thank you. What is your favorite song?
Fiend by Travis Scott.
My man. What would you rate the song out of 5?
Like a 4.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, teachers, for those great songs, and thank you, students, for your opinions on the songs. We'll see you next time with part 2.
I'm hungry. Avery's locker's unlocked. I'm pretty sure she has food.
Okay, let's go check.
Guys, Avery has food! Hey! What are you doing here? You can run, but you can't hide. You're coming to Mr. Office.
Why were you in somebody else's locker?
I wasn't. Don't lie, I literally saw you.
If you really need me to, I'll show you the video.
We were just hungry.
Today, I'm going to give you a warning, and a couple of minors. The next time I see you in anyone's locker, you'll have a consequence, which could very well be suspension. What are you going to do to make this right?
Apologize. Hey, we're really sorry for what we did. We promise we won't do it again.
Yeah, we shouldn't have stolen food out of your locker just because we know who you are.
It's okay, just don't do it again.
Okay.
Keep your lockers locked, because next time I won't be so nice.
This Wednesday, we celebrated ESP Day, or Educational Support Personnel Day. Thank you so much to all the educational support personnel here in the school. Who are they? There are all the folks who aren't teachers. Thank you so much to every single one of our ESP. Jennifer wouldn't be running without you. You're an essential part of our Burro family. Thank you, ESPs.